Hello Als, we're back in London today at Florence Nightingale statue, which is located in the centre of London. Florence Nightingale was born on the 12th of May 1820. She was born in Italy, in a city called Florence, and that's why her family called her Florence. When Florence was 6, most children didn't go to school. But Florence's father wanted Florence to be educated, so he taught her lessons. He taught her English, science and history, and also some maths. When Florence was 16 years of age, she decided to become a nurse. Her father didn't want her to become a nurse because this wasn't a very good job in the Victorian period. But Florence thought that it was a very important job for her to do. In 1851, when Florence was 16 years old, she decided that she wanted to be a nurse. And so she went to Germany to study in a hospital. War started in a place called the Crimea, and lots of soldiers were getting injured and needing help.
Florence Nightingale, and I've come to tell you a bit about my pet owl, Athena. You see, I found Athena in the Greek city of Athens when I thought she was just a ball of fluff being kicked by some boys. I rescued her and would keep her in my pocket or on my shoulder. Now, I loved Athena very much, but she could be badly behaved. One time, I had my pet cricket, Plato, out on my desk, and Athena swooped in and gobbled him up. Now, I wasn't very pleased with you at all, was I, Athena? But I thought you might like to hear that today.
Florence learned that sick people needed to eat healthily and eat lots of fruit and veg. The house on this street is where Florence Nightingale used to live. She also died in this house. This is a very, very posh part of London called Mayfair, and the street is called South Street. The house where Florence lived isn't here anymore. The old building has been replaced by this new one. Soldiers called Florence the Lady of the Lamp because during the night she would walk around the hospital with a lamp, making sure that all the soldiers were comfortable, warm and clean. She would also sit with soldiers and help them write letters home to their family. This is a very special award that was given to Florence. It's called the Order of Merit.